Hello, hello. My name is Reginald Bartholomew Cornelius Vanderbilt III. People call me Corky for short. I ride bikes. You want to ride my bike? I have money, bags of money, tons of money. Why is it a penny for your thoughts? But you have to put your 2 cents in and somebody's making a penny. I saw a sign that said, "Watch for children." And I thought, sounds like a fair trade. I am so rich that when I fly, my wallet is considered carry-on luggage. Oh my goodness, I got so close to you. But enough about my wealth, let's talk about yours. When it comes to making money, AI isn't just a tool, it's an ATM, an artificially turbocharged money maker. Today, I'm here to talk to you about the wonderful world of AI and M-O-N-E-I. That's right. We're going to learn how to make money using some of these AI tools that are popping up faster than weeds in a garden. But don't worry, I'll help you sort through them and find the ones that will lead to a money tree. Welcome to the MindStorm channel. It's a channel all about making money from money and all the money you can create. It'll help you find ideas for making money using AI. Okay, so the first way to make money using AI is to use Chat GPT. Now, stay with me here. Don't roll your eyes at me. Now, some of you might know Chat GPT well, and others may not know it much at all. But if you're not with it, and if you're not utilizing it, I can almost bet my 12 thoroughbred horses that you're going to be left behind. This idea that I'm about to show you comes from a YouTube Twitterer named Jackson Fall. He actually did this experiment live on the socials and got everybody, including me, very inspired. He logged into his Chat GPT account and wrote this: "You are now Hustle GPT, an entrepreneurial AI. I am your human counterpart. I can act as a liaison between you and the physical world. You have $100 and your only goal is to turn that into as much money as possible in the shortest time possible without doing anything illegal. I will do everything you say and keep you updated. No manual labor." So that's what he entered into Chat GPT, and the experiment began. So I typed this same prompt into my Chat GPT-4. Chat thought about it for about 3.2 seconds. And this is what I got. I got step-by-step instructions on a pretty easy task. It told me to do a little market research and then buy items in that niche, like comic books or maybe old vases. I can find these kinds of things on eBay, Facebook, Marketplace, or places like Craigslist. Then basically resell the items at a higher price on the place I just bought it from. That'll start giving me my cash increase. I can stay with this until I maybe have $200. You can follow Chat GPT's instructions step by step and see what happens. Now, you can use this same method to come up with your own unique question to ask Chat GPT. What are your talents? What is your passion? Ask GPT to help you make money with your chosen topic. It's pure genius, if I do say so myself. For example, I told Chat to pretend it was Artist GPT, an artist who loves making money with his artwork. And it gave me a full-on game plan. A full-on game plan. I could take one day for each step and report back to GPT for some more instructions. Now, here's another way you can make money this time. On the YouTubes, using AI tools. Step 1, go to a site called vidIQ. You're going to do a little research. It'll tell you what the best keywords and the best topics are for you to create your YouTube channel on. Step 2, you're going to go to ChatGPT. Yeah, again, don't knock it till you do it. And literally, just give it a command that says, "Hey, ChatGPT, can you give me 50 video ideas about this topic?" Then for each topic, ask ChatGPT to write you an 800-word script. Step 3, go to 11labs.io. Take that script and paste it into 11 Labs. It'll create an actual voice that will read the script. Sounds so real.
Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to explore the beautiful Zion National Park on our e-bikes.
Step 4, go to Pictory.ai. Take that script and the voiceover and import them into the AI machine. It'll create an entire video using amazing stock footage. You can sync up the voice to the images and no one will even know.
Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to explore the beautiful Zion National Park on our e-bikes and go stargazing in one of the most breathtaking dark sky locations in the world.
Step 5, canva.com, .free account, create yourself an amazing YouTube thumbnail. And then last step, go back to Chat GPT, say, hey, can you now write me a video title and a YouTube description for this video? Copy and paste everything, upload the video to YouTube. Repeat these steps once a day or twice a day even. If you do this consistently, you're gonna start getting some money from the YouTubes. The next tool that I'm gonna show you is genius as well, and it's a really quick AI piece of software that can create nice looking ads. And not just any old nice looking ads, it creates high converting ads using AI technology. It's called AdCreative.ai. AdCreative.ai. It's one of the most powerful AI platforms, and it'll create really nice ads in seconds. Not just any ads either. High-performing ads in text that give you more bang for your buck. All you have to do is open up the AI machine, upload your logo, then select your brand's colors, and then write in a little description to get the machine thinking. Once your brand is created, you can start working on your project. Select what size you want your ad to be, then write some text, or you can use the little AI helper button to have it write the text for you. If you have a background image, you can use it, or find one from the machine. Then the magic happens. Just hit the generate button and watch over 100 ad creatives magically appear on your screen. The AI machine will even tell you how well the ad will maybe perform. They're very nice looking ads and you'll get a ton of choices. And the way you can make money with this tool is if you've got a product that you're selling, or if you do drop shipping or affiliate marketing maybe, create the ads and it's going to save you a lot of time. You can open up your services and find local businesses that you can tell them you'll create the ads for them. You can start your own Fiverr gigs. Like, look, this guy right here is creating ads for companies and charging about $10 every time. So that's the haps, my good chaps. I hope you got a lot out of this video. Go back and watch a few of the ideas again. If you really want to make some money online, I think some of these ideas will do you a world of good. And if this video was inspiring and if it helped you with a few ideas or getting your creative juices flowing, would you mind giving me a like and a subscribe? It's my bread and butter here on YouTube, you know. Sometimes I look around the house. I look in the sock drawer. I look between the sofa cushions. If I find a penny, I hop around the house again until I find another one. Because putting two pennies together, well, it just makes sense.